Hi, let's see today another way of creating a new table. So let's open a new Writer document. Let's insert a new table like usual. We want here a small space for maybe a number, here a long distance, a long cell for some explanation, and here we want maybe some numbers, so we need small spaces. How we can create a new table in another way to look like that? Let's see. Press plus sign, and after that hyphen or minus sign, plus sign when we have this line here, minus until we have this new cell here, minus plus sign again, minus. You can see the same structure as above, and we end with plus enter. Okay, so you could see I have created a new table similar with the first one, but only from keyboard. How to check that we have that option? Go to Tools, AutoCorrect options, and we have this tab Options, and be sure that until up down here we have Create Table checked. Okay, so I have checked that, and I can do that. Let's test another example. Let's see, we want a small cell, another small cell, okay, with plus and minus sign with hyphen, and now a long explanation. Press plus and enter. Now let's create the same table with like usual. So we have to move everything to make small cells. Okay, so you have to decide what method is faster, but it's another way. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.